In today's video, I want to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. Now go to your browser and type in youtube.com as you can see over here. Now go to the top right hand corner. You're going to see that icon that looks like video over here. Now when you click on that, you'll see drop down menu that is upload video, go live and create post. Now for this particular video, we'll be looking at upload video. All right, I'm going to show you two ways you can do that. Now this is one aspect. If I click on this, all right, so when you click on upload video, it brings you to this platform where you can drag and drop your video, or you can click on this to select the video you want to upload. Another way you can upload video is to go into your studio. Now come to this point where you see your profile icon, click on that, and you'll see the drop down menu. Scroll all the way to where you see YouTube Studio and click on it. All right, so now we are in the YouTube Studio as you can see. Now hover your mouse to this top right hand corner where you see that same icon that looks like a video, which is create. Click the more arrow. You'll see more options here. There is upload video, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast. Now, like I said, for this particular video, we'll be looking at how to upload videos. So I'm going to click on this upload video. Can you see it brought us to the same platform? Whether you go through the YouTube homepage to upload your video or you go through your YouTube Studio, you'll still have to upload a video. So we'll go through this process to upload our video. So I do have my video already created. So what I can do is either drag the video and dump it here, or I go through the select files. Okay, so I would like to drag and drop my video over here. So I'll drag and drop my video on that particular platform. As you can see, it's now uploading onto YouTube. Once your video finishes uploading onto YouTube, now here is the details. This is where you enter the detail of the video that you have uploaded. Okay, we'll go through that step by step. Now the monetization is where you have to turn the monetization button on. Video elements, you have to insert the elements of the video. Okay, now you can see here there's a tick there already. The YouTube algorithm checks the video whether it's suitable for upload. Visibility is this section where you would have to make it visible for the public to see. Either you make it public, okay, or you schedule the video to go public. Now let's go to this point where we have the title section. Now the title section here, you can see the title, it's already there. Now this is a title that I used in saving the video. I can decide to change it or modify it, but I'm going to leave it like so. Now let's go to the next section. Now this section is description of the video that you have uploaded. I already wrote this down, so I'm going to paste it and then just modify it. Now, it's important that you write a description that talks directly about the video that you have uploaded, which is very important because people might want to go through this to see what the video is all about before they click to watch it. And this description also helps the visibility of your video. Okay, now that I've added it, let's go to the next point. This is a thumbnail section. It's good to put a thumbnail. That way people can easily see what your video is about. It's better to look for a phrase or keyword that talks about the video that you have just uploaded. I've created my thumbnail, so I'm going to click on this to upload the file. When I clicked on that, it opened this the open dialog box. So this is where I have saved all my thumbnails. So what I can now do is search for that particular thumbnail that I'm looking for. So I'll just type in update. Okay, now this is the thumbnail, so I'll click on that and click open. Okay, so we have this beautiful thumbnail that I created for this particular video. Now let's go to the next section, which is playlist. Now the playlist, you can create a new playlist or you add the video that you uploaded into an existing playlist. Click the more arrow. If you don't have a playlist, you can create that from here. Right, now I have a playlist that is Google. Remember, the video I'm uploading has to do with Google, so I'm going to click on that because I want the video to be saved into that playlist. Okay, if I don't have a playlist, I can go here, click, and create a new playlist and add videos into that. So I'll click on done. The next section is audience. So I'll scroll down the audience. Now there are two options there. Yes, it's made for kids. No, not made for kids. By default, this is what it's not made for kids, even though it's a tech, but you have to choose one of those. Okay, right now for promotion, if your video, if it has paid promotion in it, you should put a tick here. My video doesn't have that, so I will leave that. Authored content, that is the section we are in now. Now just read this through and see if your video falls into any of those. Do any of the following describe your content? Okay, generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur, or authors footage of a real event or place. My video has none of this, so I'll click no. Automatic chapters, you will see that by default YouTube would add that, so we'll leave it like so. Featured places, automatically YouTube will put that, so I'm going to leave it like so. I'll go to the next section. Automatic concepts, allow automatic concepts. I'll leave it like so. Okay, another section here is the tags. So tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Okay, otherwise tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your videos, so it's always important that you put your tags. Okay, so your tags can be a phrase or keyword. Now for this video, phrase or keyword that aligns with the video that you are uploading. So I'm going to put here Google Chrome. When you type each phrase or keyword, press the tab key on your keyboard. Okay, so it can record. You will see over here the actionable SEO score. It's increased already to that, meaning that people can find my video when they type in Google Chrome. So I can add more tags. So I'm going to populate these tags and get back to you shortly. You can see here that I have updated my tags. These are the keywords that I put in. Anybody who puts in similar keywords would have my video pop up. Now let's scroll down to this part. You can get suggestions, right? None of these links aligns with what this video is all about, so I can refresh this. Okay, and still check, none of that aligns with my video, so I will just leave that as it is. But if you look down here, you would see that you can enter up to 500 words, okay, for your tags. Okay, so this is not a bad score for my SEO, so I will leave it like so and scroll all the way downwards to complete the other sections. Language and captions, certification, it's English, non-caption, it's fine by default. Now recording, date and location, it's none. I like it like so. The next section is license and distribution. License is standard by YouTube, which is okay. Now this one is allow embedding. Okay, now this simply means that you are allowing people to embed your video in their site, which is good, and it is going to help you gain more views. Publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This is also good. Your subscribers will get this video when you publish them. Okay, short remixing, there are different options here. Allow video and audio remixing. If you want people to use your video to remix your video. The next one is allow only audio remixing, don't allow remixing. Now this is your video, whatever it is you want, own it, click and choose the option that you want, that's fine. Now let's go to the next option, category. Now for each video that you upload, it's okay that you select the category that video belongs. Okay, now this channel is about tech content, all right? So science and technology, it's fine. I'm going to leave it like so. Otherwise, you can click the more arrow and choose what really suits or aligns with the video that you have uploaded. Comment and rating, it's on. That's fine, meaning people can comment on the video, right? Now, sort by top by default is okay, and basically that is what you need to know when it comes to the details of the video. Now let's go to the next. All right, now the next brings us to this section, monetization. All you need to do is go here, click the more arrow and choose that option on and click done. Okay, so you need to do this for all the videos that you upload if you want it to be monetized. Okay, now in this side, it's just showing you the ads that will come into your video. So let's go to next button and click on it. Okay, take your time to read the instruction that is here, which is good. All right, now let's go to the next configuration on your video upload, which is important. Now this section says, does your video's content, title, description, keywords contain any of the following? Okay, inappropriate language. So you know what you have uploaded. Does it contain any of that? Adult content, violence, and all of that. So the list goes on. Now for this particular video, it doesn't have any of those. So I'll put a tick here. None of the above. Okay, now when you do that, you come to this point, how you rated your video overall. Okay, click submit rating and then click on the next. Right, so the next one is video element. Right, there are three options here. You can add subtitles, you can add end screen, you can add cards. So let's choose the end screen and add it. Okay, so to do that for end screen, I'll click on add button. Now promote related content at the end of your video. That's what it means to promote related content at the end of your video. So let's go to this point and click on it. Okay, so these are different end screens. You can choose any of those. All right, so I like to use this one video, one subscribe button, so I'll click on that. So here, this is my one video. I'll click on that. By default, YouTube is going to choose best for viewers if that's what you want. Now this is subscribe button. Now for when you click on this, which is the video, you come to this point, you can choose what you want your audience to view or what video that should appear once this particular video finishes playing. Now you have to click on this first to activate this section. Now the first one is most recent upload. If you put a tick here, it means once this particular video finishes uploading, the most recent upload video would appear here, so your audience can choose to watch it if they want. Otherwise, this other aspect is best for viewers, which is the default that YouTube selected. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. Okay, most times you might just want to leave it like that. So randomly, YouTube will display different types of videos on that particular element. Okay, once the video finishes playing. Now, this other section is choose specific video. If there's a particular video you want to play, once this video finishes, you can come here and select it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it by default, which is best for viewers. All right, now I like to click on that and set it nicely and click on this, which is the subscribe button, and set it nicely. That's all you need to do for the end screen, and click save. Okay, so we have added the end screen. You can see that check there. Then I'll go to the next. Now you can see we are in the checks. So the checks section basically check whether there's a copyright found in your video and whether your video is suitable for ad. You can see it's properly checked and there's none of those issues found. So there's a tick here, which means the video is good. Now I can go to the next button. The visibility section. Now the visibility section, there are three buttons there. By default, it will go to unlisted, which is fine. If you want to publish your video outrightly, you can choose the public. Okay, now let's go with the default unlisted. We can always publish it. Let's choose this one. I'll show you how you can go back to make your video public if you want. So we're going to save our video. Okay, now the video is saved. This is the exact video we have just uploaded here. You can see it's unlisted. Okay, it's here unlisted. How do you get access to the video? You come to the content in your YouTube studio, click on that content section, and all the video you have on your YouTube would show here, and you should know the particular video you have uploaded. You can see over here it's unlisted. Now if you want to make this video public, you just need to come to this point, click the more arrow and choose public. When you choose public, you go and you click publish, and the video will be made public. If you do not want to publish outrightly, you can schedule the video. Now to do that, you click public, come to this point and click schedule. Click the more arrow. Now over here, you can schedule the video when you want it to go public. Now this is the date that is here. You can click on the more arrow and choose this date. Let's choose, say, 10th November. Now the time, you click there and choose the time that you want it to go public. So I've selected that time. Okay, now the time zone here is basically your local time zone. Okay, default set to local time zone. So you need to know the exact time you want your video to go public. Once you're setting, you now go to this point and click schedule. Now this is the video we have just uploaded and scheduled to go public on 10th of November. Now this brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video informative, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already done so for more tech tips. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.